Morning, gentlemen. We'll take a quick look at the plan for tonight as we prepare for our first set of games. So, the focus tonight still being on that creation phase, breaking that final line and scoring goals. So, a couple of the objectives that we focus on in this phase of the game is we want to continue to maintain good width because we really want to stretch the opposition, create those overloads and those rotations with our attacking mids, wingers, and outside backs. How do we, with our movement, unsettle them and challenge their organization? Be brave enough and willing to run off the back of the opposition's outside backs. So whenever we can get a player stepping out, they're on the ball facing forward, can we get guys running from the midfield line in behind that outside back? And then always just being aware of the transition moments, especially in this phase. If our counter press is good, we react, we win the ball back right away. We're obviously close to our goal, so we can create opportunities going forward. So just remember when we talk about assist zones, so spaces on the edge between the edge of the 18 and the 6-yard box, trying to find filter balls into that space so we can create obviously finishing chances, but also assist chance opportunities as well. So we'll go through a couple clips. This one is from this past game against St. Thomas. The important thing to watch here is as we watch it roll is the movement from Midu. So as it circulates the outside back, their outside right back steps, Midu tries to make the run in behind. So we'll watch again because the ball isn't played and it still creates a corner. But as you watch Midu's movement, what does it do for our 9? So again, we got a player near our creation phase facing forward. Midu makes a run, pulls one center back out, and now there's that space in front of the back line to filter a ball into Nils or any other player in that space. So the value is not always just playing that run, but also what does it do? And we'll watch again from our very first game against the Futures. Dom makes the same movement. He gets tracked. Look at the space that opens up for Hakeem. So again, guys, these movements are not, the movement has to be made just so we can start to pull apart their opposition, and then we make a decision on what makes sense on the game. It's not necessarily having to play that pass. Okay, first exercise tonight. It's a little 5v2 where we're working the ball to break a line and move into the opposite grid. So the grays are moving, circulating, and then we're trying to time our movement so we find a player facing forward in a run that's timed into that space. As soon as we hit that space, that's a point for the opposition or for the possession team. We reshape our 5v2 and we play from there. Blacks, if you win it, you're always looking to dribble transition out the end that you're defending. All right. So from there, similar to what we did yesterday, but now focus on the attacking piece. Be shaped up in a 3-2-3, looking to break down a 3-2-1. The offside line will be the top of the 18. So movements, circulating the ball, different combinations with our attacking mid, our winger, and our outside backs to isolate that outside back and to run off his back. So a lot of reps there, 20 balls each group. And then we'll move right into a little finishing transition game. So guys, as we prepare for the game, this will provide us a lot of rest, some rotation, play one version of this 3v3 transition game where we're give the opportunity for the goalkeepers to make the saves, but we're also looking just for quick combinations to score goals, get in the habit of finishing our chances. So if we look through the session, we've built into this moment where now we're getting high reps of finishing. And at the end, then we'll touch on some defending set pieces as we approach the weekend. So again, guys, it's our final session before we really start the official season. So let's make sure we're here and we're sharp and ready to go.